everyone and welcome. Every year during the Easter season, the same old language debate over the correct word for Easter in Romanian resurfaces. Is it Paște or is it Paști? Which form is correct? The answer is both. Both forms are correct, and in this video, I'm going to address this dilemma, so let's begin. Romanian uses two variations for the same term denoting Easter, Paște and Paști. This aspect is very perplexing for several reasons. Okay, let's just have a look at the entry from the second edition of the Dom as contrasted with the entry from the third edition. By the way, in case you're wondering, Dom is the orthographic, orthoepic, and morphological dictionary of the Romanian language. In the second edition, Paște is regarded as a masculine noun, and it has been interpreted as a masculine noun for years, with the form Paști being its plural form. But this is the point where speakers would find themselves extremely puzzled. Plural forms such as doi Paști or Paști are rather unusual. I personally have never heard this noun being used like this. So, if Paște is a masculine noun, where does the commonly used articulated form Paștile come from? This ending is a definite article, and it's typical for feminine and neuter nouns in the plural, not for masculine nouns. Even in this entry, they give the example Sfintele Paști, a case in which the article is transferred to the adjective, and they treat this aspect as it being an exceptional neuter plural, which is a very ambiguous linguistic matter to have a masculine noun with an exceptional neuter plural. What? But then in the third edition, Dom recognizes that both forms, Paște and Paști, are considered acceptable. However, the form Paște is now regarded as a neuter noun, while the form Paști is interpreted as a feminine plural. So, Romanian has in fact developed two distinct paradigms regarding this noun. One paradigm uses a singular form Paște, which has recently come to be considered as neuter, while the second paradigm uses the plural form Paști, which is feminine and is used exclusively in the plural. At the moment, we find ourselves in a situation where both norms coexist and are considered equally acceptable. However, in front of the form Paște, there is an exclamation mark showing that that is the recommended form. So, whether you decide to use Paște or Paști, just remember to ensure correct agreement between the noun and the other parts of speech. In case of Paște, the verb should be singular, as well as all the other parts of speech referring to the noun. And here are some examples. Paște fericit, or un Paște fericit, but never un Paști fericit. That is incorrect. Paștele cade pe data de 5 mai. Ne vedem de Paște, sărbătoarea Paștelui, postul Paștelui. In case of Paști, the verb should be plural, as well as all the other parts of speech referring to the noun. And here are some examples. Paștile cad pe data de 5 mai. Ne vedem de Paști. Postul Paștilor. Sfintele Paști. So, most times it's simply a matter of preference. Some people use Paște, while others use Paști. The versions utilizing Paște are viewed as more contemporary, whereas the versions employing Paști are preserved within church tradition. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. To those of you who have already celebrated Easter, I hope you had a wonderful holiday time. And to those of you who are yet to celebrate, wish you all a happy Easter. And I'll see you next time. Be happy. Be happy. Ba, ba, ba.